Today is Sunday, so nasa bahay tayo. Today is my detox day. Ibig sabihin, mag-iinom ako ng maraming liquid. And this composed of ginger, moringa, and also I have here nati blend ko, moringa din, ulit, carrots, and luya. Yun lang kasi ang available. Tag-ubos ang ang ating allowance for health department kasi nag-therapy si mother for her mobility para makalakad ulit siya. Shout out nga pala kay Sir John, therapist ni mother. Taga dito din siya sa Oviedo. So, kung kailangan niyo ng therapist, ay pwede niyo i-contact si Sir John. You can also contact me. So, today is a detox day. Sana kayo din, para malabas yung toxic natin sa katawan. Inumin natin yung liquid na marami. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye!